Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete a file or folder from Google Drive. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Every Google Drive account comes with storage limit that will vary depending on your edition. And to free up space and expand your storage capacity, many users seek ways to permanently delete files from from Google Drive. Today, in this video, I will show you how to delete your files or folder permanently on your Google Drive. It's very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our Google Drive. And now, for example, I want to delete this file, this folder. So you can just select on the three dots over here. There is an option move the trash. And I will delete this one too. Move the trash. So all the files and also the folder will store to trash. You can open your trash and in here you can just empty your trash. Delete forever. You can just choose on delete forever. So now you have empty your trash and delete the files and folder permanently from your Google Drives. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete file or folders on Google Drive permanently. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.